So this will be your dynamic website. Dynamic website will be SQL database and the website files. First of all, log in cpanel. Static website and dynamic website file download will be same. Go to file manager, right click for public_HTML, compress your file, download. Select it. Go to file manager. In this public_HTML, right click and click for compress. Select your zip format. Yes or N. Your website short name. Add your date. Click for compress. Sometimes public_HTML will be not zip. Public_ file will be not compress. So we can go for second procedure. Open public_HTML. Select the all website file. You can go to compress. Both options applicable. When right click, public_HTML will be not compress. Select your public_HTML file. Select your all file will be individual file. You can select. Go to compress. I'll show you. It's going to download your files. This will be download your website file. Next one. Go to cpanel. In this very important option called is PHP MyAdmin. Means download your SQL database. PHP MyAdmin. So what are the file you're creating here? Selecting in the left side option. Now select what are the files will be here. You can select by in this option. Click for export. Don't select any option. Just select your file. Click for download. The file will download by in this option. Have to wait for download. Is that done? Where is the file? See this. What I'm clicking for? Click for download. On next option, open public_HTML. For that, select your file. Right click, compress. SRN. Two type of compress. Now, file was downloaded by your local file. Select here. Export. Click for go. Don't select any option to manually. Don't select any kind of option. Just you can select by option. Click for export. Click for download. So is it going to download here? The file was downloaded by here. Is it clear? So this is called to download your files on particular website. So this is called for dynamic website using SQL database. Without SQL database, you can't download your website backup. So this is called your backup, your total dynamic website for individual website file and SQL database.